How to log into WhatsApp on laptop via browser in 5 minutes. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into WhatsApp on your laptop using a browser. It's super easy and you can do it in just 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your laptop like Chrome or Firefox. Now type web.whatsapp.com in the address bar and hit enter. You will see a QR code here. Now open the WhatsApp app on your mobile. After opening WhatsApp on your mobile, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner, then select WhatsApp Web. Now point your mobile camera at the QR code on your laptop screen to scan it. Once you scan the QR code, your WhatsApp will automatically log in on your laptop. Now you are ready to use WhatsApp on your laptop. You can send messages, share photos, and files. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.